guys, this is what we're starting off with. So I've got these three, they're plastic. They're similar to what we used on the other wreath for the center. Oh, I didn't put the center in there. This is for the center. This is for this guy. So we're going to put this green. And then we've got three different yellows. Okay. There's three different. This one's a little darker. And then, of course, we got these beautiful roses. Look at that. I got off Temu. So it's got the dark blue and then it's got the light blue. So that's for the center. Okay, and then I'm not going to use, probably won't use both of these, but then this is the hummingbird we're using because it's got more blue on it. So there, that's what we're using. So yeah, we're gonna do the wreath base first. Or you know what? Maybe we'll do the center first, and then we'll do the base. How's that? Because I got to think of what kind of petals I want to do. So why don't we do that? So let's do that. Move this all out of my way. And then I'm going to trim everything, get everything ready to go. And that can go over here. That can go over here. Okay, let's get started then. So I'm going to pause. I'm going to get all the greenery and everything ready to go. I got to turn my, plug in my, glue, guys, I can't talk today. Okay, let's get that guy over there. Let's get these guys over here. My glue pot. I got my glue pot plugged in now. So I shall be back. Okay, everybody, I've got everything all done. So these leaves are from these flowers, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to keep them. I haven't decided. I don't think I'm going to use these ones. I don't know. I haven't decided yet. So, and then I have the one stem of these, right? So we'll fit those in. But here's what I'm thinking. We can alternate these, right? Because he's got a little bit of yellow on them. So we'll see, right? So there's the leaves, right? There's the roses. Oh, I can move all that. We got this pile, we got this pile, we got this pile. So I trim the roses right like that, okay? So now we're going to take our, where did he go? Our skewer, where did he go? Oh, here's one. Let's break this one in half. Okay, so we're going to take this guy, and what we're going to do, you can see, we're just going to go like this. We're just going to make holes. I'm going to make them a little further apart this time. Okay. Oh, it's going through the bottom. So that's all I'm going to do. And then my glue's ready, so we can do some of this together. I get my fingers on. So basically, you go all the way around, okay? And then I'll show you. I get my fingers on. So I'm not burning myself. Put my thumb. Put this guy on. This guy. This guy doesn't go on all the way. I wonder if I could just put this guy on. No. I need to get another set, or one with all the fingers. Okay, so now I'm going to bring you a little closer. Like that. Okay. And then turn you over a little. Okay, just leave that there. That there. Okay. Move the glue closer. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take one. Okay. take one. And I have my glue pot just to the left of me here. I'll put some glue on it, and then start over here. And you're going to put it in the hole, like that. See? Okay. Now I'm going to take one of these colors, with the yellow tip. Same thing. And I'm going to put it on there. So I'm going to do all this off camera, and then we'll be back. I'm going to do the first 2 rows, because this row will be, oh, maybe we'll do it that way. No, we'll do it that way. So I'm going to do 1 row, and then we'll see if I want to put double row. Okay, guys, look it. I got that part done. So I trimmed these ones down because they were pretty long. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put a row of green next. And then I might stick these guys, because I don't have any more of these, in and around. Okay. And then it'll be these yellow. You know what? I just noticed something. Maybe I'll put the roses. I gotta think about it now. Okay. Let's see how it looks. I'm not gonna put glue on it. I just want to see. It's gonna take a big piece. So if we do that, and you put your rose in. Oh yeah. Okay. I'm gonna try that because I don't think I'm gonna need all those roses, but I might not use these then. Okay, I'm gonna try that now. So I've got 10 roses. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, that's way too. So, okay, I'm gonna see what it looks like. So I gotta see if I need to cut more roses or not. That one's too close to there, so we gotta move him over. I'll just glue them all in after. Oh, look at that. That's gonna look really nice. So, one there. Let's go one there. Keep getting them too close. So, put one here. Okay, that's how it's looking right now. So if we put these 3 in like that, but I think I have an idea. I think I'm going to, I'm not going to use these. I'll save these for another project. Put them in there. Same with these. I'll put these in there for another project. Okay, that's what we're going to do. We're going to put those in there. Here's what I'm thinking. Because I've got these. They're a different yellow, right? So let's try it and see if I can actually do it with these. Because they do have a wire, but I don't know. I was thinking maybe just have them coming out as well. I gotta do this at an angle. Okay, I'm gonna take one out. I'm gonna take these out and see if I can put in between. I'll show you. I'll show you. So I take the, I'm gonna put glue on this one. Put it in, and then make a little hole here beside it, in between, right, like right there. I got it right there. And take this guy and put him in. Like that. I'll take your next rows. Put it in. See what I mean? I kind of want it to be in, like in between. That should be alright, because maybe I can put some greenery over here. So let's get the greenery. Some of these. So if we take, say we do like, see we do this. Now we go on this side. Here we go. Okay, well, I'm going to do this. I'm going to make my little holes so I can put the other flower in. Okay. And I'm going to go do this off camera. Okay, we'll do one more together. So I need another flower. See, these have to be trimmed because it's too wide. So maybe I'll use the scissors. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Let's try that. See if that works better. Yeah, that's what I'm going to have to do. That's why I have to do it off camera. I have to prep all that. Right? There we go. Oh, look at that. Okay. I'm going to do this off camera, you guys.